ladies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna go over my new way of storing / organizing die cuts. I'm not talking about like ephemera die cuts. I'm talking more about like solid color, you know, pieces that you cut out with your die cut machine. Either that you cut out, maybe somebody gifted you, or you were testing a die out and you know you have extras from a project, stuff like that. So let me get right on into it. I was storing them before in these photo cases from Michaels, and they were in with my ephemera because I didn't really know how to organize them. So they're just shoved full in these little containers, and I felt like I wasn't using them. I wasn't utilizing what I had, what people gifted me, because I didn't want to dig through it, I guess, because I'm lazy. I don't know. It was too packed, too overfilled. Every time I open it, it was overflowing. So yeah, get straight into it. So I got this little binder. I want to say it's a 1 inch. I should have got the 1.5 inch, or you can even get bigger, 2 inch, 3 inch, you know how big they get. And you can get these at the 99-cent store as well. So I got this at Dyso, and you can see it's lined in like a pink pinstripe, and then it's like really hot pink on the outside, and it's like a thick chipboard. I know they sell the clear ones at the dollar store, and you can stick sheets in that front clear part. So yeah, this is what I was working with because I went to Dyso, which is a $1.50 store, Japan, and then I went to the 99-cent only store to get some dividers. So I'm gonna start sticking anything that I get in this little pouch right here. If I don't have time right away to organize it, maybe when this starts getting full, then I'll separate it into its, you know, coordinating category, I guess you would want to say. They only had red. I wish they had another color just because like the book's pink, but hey, I was working with what I had. You know, I'm trying to keep this low budget and very friendly. So I got one of these pencil pouches that clips into a standard 3-ring binder. And then, oh my gosh, these are so ugly. So I think I'm gonna get like cardstock and just do, you know, like frame style, just make a big rectangle and decorate it that way. Because look at, they're all like metric conversion, angles, you get it, multiplication. Like I don't need to be reminded of school. Oof, gosh. Okay, so I bought 4 packs of these dividers. They're like a thick, like paper, I guess more like cardstock, like a 110-pound cardstock, I guess you would say. It came in a pack, 1, 2, 3. It came in a pack of 5. I mean, you can find, I did want plastic ones, but they only had paper. Again, I was working with what I had to get this rolling, this project rolling. So it came with 5. I used my Dymo Label maker in the, I want to say I used a 10 font because I didn't realize like how big this little tab part would be, or how it would look and work. So this is what I'm using. This first tab, I don't know if you guys noticed, is called Hearts. So I saw these at Michaels craft store. They're called photo album refill pages. And these are like, I don't even know if there's like a specific name for this, but these are like old school. I mean, all of my baby photos are in this style of album. And what it is, I don't have to open that one right here. It's like a sticky sheet. I don't know how to describe it. The back part is sticky, and then the top part is just a clear piece of basically plastic. And it like suction cups right back on, almost like super staticky. Like it just, and it sucks back on. Like when you ELO seal your food, I feel like that's what this does. So originally I wanted to do something like this. I don't know if you guys can see on camera because it is clear. These are like baseball card holders, and it's got the little pocket that's, you know, permanently open. But then I was like, a lot of die cuts aren't gonna fit in this. I know they have different types of layouts, like different size rectangles and bigger ones, even 12 by 12s for photos and stuff. But still, whether the slot was on the left or the right, I feel like when you're flipping your book, the die cuts fly out the top, Or if you drop your book, whew, good thing, because they're gonna freaking fly out. Even on the sides, they're gonna fly out. And I feel like once you start sticking all the die cuts in there, they would have to be the exact same die cut. Otherwise, you're not gonna be able to see what other die cuts are behind it, versus mine is just a general theme of hearts. And then, like, for instance, also, perfect example of that is this sticker book from Michaels. If I even lightly angle this book, the stickers come shooting out the top, flying out, you know? And I didn't want that to happen with die cuts, especially if they're organized and you're taking the time to organize them. You know, you drop this, if I drop this book like this, all these stickers, every single page of these stickers is gonna fall out. So I wanted something more practical and where I could see kind of everything, I guess. So these are actually from Lasagna, who's Miss Doll's Creations here on YouTube. She gifted me these balloon die cuts, and obviously they're shaped like hearts, so I wasn't going to put them in like a balloon theme or anything, but basically you just stick all of your die cuts, like I just kind of piled them in there and like scattered them a little bit, and they can overlap and whatnot, some of them. They can go all the way up to the rim right here. Just make sure you keep away from the edge of the sticky part. And you'll see that on the sheets, the 8.5 by 11 sheets, where it ends. Because you need this thing to seal on all, whatever these are called, 3 sides. So I kind of just push down on the sides, and there we go. My pieces are in there. They can actually move around in there, but they kind of stay in place. But everything is sealed on all of the edges, so they're not flying around. And then the back, I just have some more generic hearts that I slipped in there, and I can add a ton more to this, or even more pages. So I'm really liking this. This one's beauty. I kind of didn't know, like, diamonds and like dress forms, some scissors and lipstick. I was just kind of like generically organizing stuff. And these are not all my die cuts. I just started to try to get the tabs going. This is food and drinks. It's mostly all coffee stuff. This other one is going to be circles and labels, so like doily style. I'm sure I might make a doily page its own. These are like label looking ones. These are tag style. Those are extra envelopes. This next one is leaves and flowers. So this one's all leaves. This one's flowers. This one is words. So I just have a couple words. Literally, I'm gonna do little bundles at a time to slowly fill it up. This one's animals and outdoors. A llama, bunny. This one's gonna be like unicorn and mermaidish. This is outdoors, like a mailbox and an umbrella. I don't know. I don't know how to do. Some things are just random. This one's birthday. It's got a balloon and a bike with balloons. This one is bows. And then, oops, it's kind of just, like I said, it kind of just goes on super staticky, so you can lay it however you want. It's not gonna be perfect. And I just peel it back. Do I want to use this bow? No. Okay. And yeah, so I have it, like I said, I bought several packs of those dividers so that I can label them and use them throughout. And this pack of stuff comes with 30 sheets, and they're double-sided. So that means you get 60 pages, you know. So I got a lot of organizing ahead of me, but I like it. I like that I can kind of see it all and, like, you know, just whip it open real quick, take it out, boom, done. I'm done, you know, versus trying to dig in a little pocket that I feel is not gonna work for me. So yeah, I'm excited. And I can label the outside, I can decorate the side, and I have this cute little folder, or you can have multiple folders if you have a lot of die cuts. So yeah, that is my quick little organization video, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye guys.